Who's that guy?
Hello, hello.
Mr. Flamingo.
I actually got flamingo on too.
Do you?
Yeah.
Alright, show him.
Yeah.
Hey, here we go. We got flamingo shirt. So flamingo guy is here today. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today we are casting. We are casting today, right? Yeah, we don't know what we're gonna be catching, but we're casting today. We're on the big Winnebago, and holy cow, I'm trying to balance. Yeah, we're just gonna be casting, looking for these white bass. The goal is to catch white bass today, maybe some drum, maybe some walleyes. I don't know, but we need fish. We haven't caught fish in a while. Yeah, it's still early in the morning. It's about 7:21 right now, and we got a long way to go. So we're gonna do what we have to do. If all this fail, we're gonna go into the river and maybe hug the bridges again, but we don't want to do that, right? So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna go and explore the big old Winnebago and hopefully have a good time. Stay tuned. Again, it's not that windy yet, so let's move all this other stuff. Yeah, I don't know, let's see if we can figure something out here. I do want to get into a school of white bass. It's been a minute since I've done any white bass fishing. We are throwing blade baits, as you guys can see. Boom. And yeah, I don't know, just gonna have blades for a little bit here to see what happens. The water is actually just broke off. Yeah, I don't know. Just donated my nice jig though. Good job, David. You got a fish, bro. It's a fish. Oh my god, dude, look at this guy. Oh my god. What are you doing? He's got a fish. Let's go. No skunk. No, he ate it. Yeah, he got him.
I got like, what the hell, so weird.
Perch, eat perch. Good job, dude. Keep it for bait.
Want to keep it for bait?
Nah, I'm just kidding. Throw it away. Nice, dude. Good job. See? That was so sad. Oh my god. It's been here, bro.
My guy, dude.
It's been 5 minutes.
Yeah, let's go. I'll get hit by a treble hook, dude.
Oh my gosh.
I'll let you use a treble hook for that reason.
Whoa, look at all those freaking bricks. Got some? You actually got some? Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah, let's go. Good job, man. Bring it up, bring it up. Oh, there we go.
Oh, no skunk.
No skunk, dude. Good job. There you go.
Hey. My first fall walleye.
Yeah. You need help?
Heck yeah, dude. I'm like using a treble hook for this reason, man.
It's safer if you grab the fish first.
Oh.
There you go. Yay, there you go. Yeah, I buy them every year and I lose them every year. Because I just snag it or pike gets it, you know, or walleye. Yeah. Go, go. Yep, that's a white bass. That's a white bass. I think it's a white bass. What's a walleye? Yeah, let's go.
Bigger now.
Yeah, it's bigger. But they're not big enough to keep, so. Yeah. Right on that rock wall. I thought it was a white bass. He was running so fast. Oh, jeez. Relax. Chill. Oh my gosh. Here we go. He's going to go nuts. All right. Nice. First walleye. God. Oh my gosh. What the? It's because my hook is big. So it's missing.
A small one now.
Yeah, it's the smaller one. It's like the ones we caught. Just had another hit, dude. And I don't want to downsize because then I can't cast for it and just win. They're grabbing onto the body, but they're not getting the hook. Got him. There we go. That's a big one. That's a big one, I think. Oh, it's much better. Yeah. Nope, it's not a big one. They just fight so hard in the fall time. There you go. Oh, he ate it head first too. That's a really good sign.
What does that mean?
They're eating it head first. That means they're not afraid to chase it. If they T-bone it, that means they're kind of like just following it. Yeah, it's a white bass, huh, dude? Once you find them, got one. Yep. There you go. I was just saying, if you find a white bass on a rock wall, it's over. It's actually tugging really hard. What is it? No, I got it. Oh, it's a big walleye. It's a big walleye, bro. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's a nice walleye. Dude, hurry, 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 bro. No, hurry. Boom, let's go. I was just saying how good these rock walls are. That's a keeper right there.
Nice, dude.
Yes. Yes. Guys, let's go. That's a keeper right there. I mean, they're all keepers, but this is what we want. That's a nice 18-incher. Nice, dude. Check this out, guys. Might be kind of windy, but that's a nice 17, 18. I say, whatever. The bag system doesn't have like slot size, so you can basically keep any size, but you get 3 for your bag limit. There you go, guys. Nice, awesome fish. I'm gonna give you a lure with no hooks.
Fish come back there, though. I still get it.
Right, you still get it. Oh, I got. That's a big fish. That's a big. Oh no, that was a big fish. Whoa, dude, he smashed it right by the boat. That got to be a pike, bro.
Every time we talk, dude.
That had to be a pike. How's it going, Big?
Side.
It's a grind out there. The wind picked up a little bit, so we're gonna head back to the main river here. And walleye bite shut off, so we're gonna go ahead and target the bridges. Bought some minnows, some chips, some drinks. We're gonna go ahead and sit on these deeper pockets and see what happens. Just don't know where the fish are at, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys most likely under the bridge. Nah, we're good. You take up too much room. I got a fish. I got. Oh, it's a white bass. Let's go. Oh, it's a giant. Let's go, Daddy. I wasn't crazy, bro. Boom. I wasn't crazy, man. Look at that thing. Yeah. All on video. Yes.
Hey, now that wall ain't lonely no more.
See, I told you I was missing fish, man. Holy cow, it's windy now. It is windy. I mean, minnow, you gotta rig it up though. You gotta like. Not 40, not. Oh, I got fish, bro. I got fish. What I got? Net. You want to get the net? Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's a keeper. This guy is perfect eater right here. Boom.
Nice.
Maybe they ate somewhere around here then. I knew they were here. Shoot. Huh? Is it like hard rain? Is it red? Oh, I got a bite. That's a big fish, dude. Net. That's a big walleye. I think it's a big walleye. Oh no, popped off! Ah, it popped off! That was a good walleye. Dang. That was actually a good walleye, dude. Felt the head shake. Oh, I got, bro, big fish. Oh my god, big fish. Oh, dude, big fish. Oh my gosh, what is this? I don't know. Big fish. It could be, yep. It's big fish. Yep, that's a big fish. I felt him hit it too, dude. Oh my gosh. You want to fight him?
No, I'm good.
You fight here. Here, you fight.
No, I'm not doing this. So go ahead, go ahead.
Oh no! Look at my rod. Oh my gosh, don't break. This is a repeat again. No, just stay there. Just stay there. Yeah. There's no anchor, so we're okay. Sheesh.
Okay, it's only a matter of time before this happens again.
Yeah. So I'm like, dang, I kind of regret not bringing my catfish stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's going. Please stay out of those pillars. Do not go between those pillars. I can't even talk anymore. I can't talk right now, guys. Do not go into those pillars. Yep, that's a flathead. I don't think it's that big though. No, don't go over there. There's a snag over there. I know. Trust me, I dropped baits in there before and I snagged up. You ready? Head first, okay? Head first. Here he comes. Oh, now yeah. Oh, he's actually pretty heavy. Look at my rod. You gotta control the dowel here, so make sure it stays pinned. It's a small hook too, small crappie hook. Here he is. Oh, it's a channel. It's a big old channel. What? It's not a flathead, but it's a big channel. Did your mom want it?
I don't know.
Ready? Get ready. Yeah, get ready. Here it comes. Oh my god, I think it's huge for a channel. Wait, yep. That's crazy. Dang, that's a nice channel. Where are these? Yeah, where were they when we were fishing for them? Ready, here it comes. No! There you go, good job.
Oh, that's a good one.
Dang, that's a tank. Oh jeez, it's a lot heavier than I thought it was. That's a tank. Wow. Look at that thing. On the corner as well. You got that plier? Yeah, right on the... Sheesh. Alright, you want to grab that camera?
Yeah, that's right behind you.
Yeah, I'll get it in a bit, hold on. It's like it knows. That is a nice channel cat right there. Nice little, probably 7-8 pounder. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah. We're gonna get a picture and then let it go. Alright, grab my phone. Alright, buddy, I'm gonna have to bring you back in here. Grab you by the tail. It's actually a really good eater right there. That's a good channel. Back in. Alright. Good job, man. Alright, y'all. So, wait. Before we get into this, I'm gonna talk to you guys really quick. So we made it back into the garage here. I just wanted to say that it was pretty funny because the plan was to go out to the lake, right? Because where we had launch from, the boat launch, it's south of where we entered, and the wind got so bad that we couldn't get into it. The way it was like 3, 4, 5 foot rollers, like it was bad, white caps and everything. Wind was picking up to like 25 miles per hour. We decided to just U-turn, come back into the river, and just Uber ourselves back to the launch, and then, you know, so on and so on. I didn't want to shoot a closure because it was already like dark and you guys wouldn't be able to see anything. So it is the next morning. Here I am in the garage, and let's see what's in the cooler. All right, so here's a tip for you guys don't know of. What I like to do, I mean, we got lazy. If you're not lazy like me, then you don't have to do this, but me and Bing, we got lazy. We just left everything in this lifetime cooler here. Basically, you just want to ice it up. Ice the bottom first, bleed out the fish, and then pour the ice over the fish, right? I learned this tip from Lake Fork. He made a video of it, and it honestly does make a difference. Because a pretty big white bass, I mean, that's pretty massive, honestly. We didn't catch a lot, but we caught big ones, you know? Caught some small ones. But these are all pretty decent white bass. Look at that. So that's my cooler, and imagine just having like 20 of those, you'll probably fill it up. Big white bass, you know, just big ones, males, bass. That's pretty massive. Look at that thing right there. Yep, so they're all pretty big. I call it a nice walleye, as you guys see in the video. I kept like 2 other smaller ones. A nice little 18 incher, maybe 17, 18 inch. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Again, bleed content. I might get marked for that, but who cares? Great tip from Lake Fork guy when he did the whole crappie thing, and it honestly works. I like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and scale them, fillet them, and put them in sea salt. That way it like tenderizes the meat, cleans out all the slime, fish slime, stuff like that, gets rid of all the fishy taste to it if you don't like that. I don't mind it, but you know, I still do it because when you go ahead and freeze them, they last a lot longer. When you put them in sea salt, rinse it out, and then you can go ahead and bag them up, and they just last that much longer, taste that much better, and yeah. So yeah, if you do want to see this process, let me know in the comments down below. I've done it before in my other videos. It's very similar, but I can go out again, do some white bass and walleye fishing, and do the process all over again for you guys. So yeah, so I'm pretty tired, probably shaky as heck. Yeah, I didn't go sleep till like midnight, and I woke up like at 5. I was supposed to go out, but we had rain in the forecast and high wind. That's why I'm shooting a video in my garage, because it wouldn't be too ideal to be out there right now. So yeah, so with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys out on the next white bass adventure.